Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing and give you my initial thoughts on these Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro wireless Bluetooth earbuds. Now these earbuds happen to be in Phantom Black, but they are available in several different colors. If you are interested in them, I will have a link below in the description so you can pick them up for yourself or find more information. Let's go ahead and dive right into the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro wireless earbuds. So let's have a quick look at the box here. A nice black box. It says Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. Again, these are the Phantom Black color. On the back here, it says two-way speakers for rich sound, active noise canceling, as well as it has 5 to 18 hours of playtime. So with the included charge case, you can keep recharging the earbuds and get up to 18 hours of playtime. They are IPX7 rated, so that means they're water resistant. If you go out for a run and it happens to start raining or you start to sweat, they are protected. As well as if you accidentally drop them in a puddle, they are protected for up to 30 minutes in up to 3 feet of water. I don't recommend it, but the protection is there. As well as the sound is by AKG. Let's go ahead and open these up. So a little box here, let's see what's inside there. It's probably the instructions. Yep, the quick start guide. So all the information you need here. It shows you how to use the touch on the side of the earbuds, that sort of thing. So I'll let you read through that on your own if you do grab these. There's our first look at the case. We'll get to that in just a moment. There's a little box here. Let's see what's in there. So it looks like there's your charging cable, a black cable there. It's USB-C on one end and USB-A on the other end. And it looks to be about 2.5 feet long maybe. And there was another little box in there, and I'm assuming this is where your ear tips are. So there's some extra ear tips in there. So there's 4 extras in there. So there's small, medium, and large ear tips. So there's the case there, a nice black case. It's kind of got a matte black finish on it. And it says Samsung Sound by AKG. Let's go ahead and open this up here. So it's a clamshell type case. You can see them here. And again, these are the Phantom Black color, a little bit shiny on the outside. And I'll pull one out here. And you can see that's what they look like there. It says R on that one, so that must be for the right ear. And this one here says L, so that would be for the left ear. And again, there's these rubber tips on there, so they are fully interchangeable depending on the size of your ear. They feel really well built. They've got tiny little kind of speaker looking things here on the inside and the outside. That's for your ambient noise and noise canceling. Really a good feel to these. These feel really strong and durable. I'm excited to use them. So I've got the Samsung Galaxy Wearables app downloaded on my phone. I'm just going to open that up and I will add a new device here. We'll just add that and I'll open these up, leave them in the case and open that up. That'll keep them in pairing mode, and you can see Galaxy Buds Pro right there. We'll just go ahead and tap on that and it's connecting to my earbuds. So once they're connected, you can see the battery life of your left and right earbuds as well as the case. You can adjust the noise controls for active noise canceling or ambient sound. You can turn those on and off right there. There's voice detect. You can block touches, so if you don't want to be able to touch the side, maybe to change your tracks on your song, you can turn that off right there. There's also things like Find My Earbuds in here, so if you do lose your earbuds, you can easily find them. There are some more settings here as well. There's an equalizer mode with some preset equalizer options, as well as there's Bixby, you've got in-ear detection, 360 audio, a whole bunch of stuff here to customize your Galaxy Buds Pro. So I'll put these in my ears here. I did put on the large tips. That's what I typically would use with an earbud. And that feels really comfortable. That goes in there very easily and it drowns out the background noise right away. I've got the active noise canceling turned on there. That's what they do look like in my ears. So again, very comfortable. They feel like they're going to stay in there quite well if I go do some exercise. So the active noise canceling is turned on here. If I turn on ambient noise, now all of a sudden I can hear myself talking. I can adjust the ambient sound volume. So that's super handy if you do want to be able to hear what's going on around you. And if I go back to active noise canceling, it goes quiet again. There is a voice detect mode here. So if I start talking now, it should go to ambient noise and then turn off automatically after 10 seconds when it doesn't hear my voice, which is super handy if you're wearing these and you go to a coffee shop and want to do an order or something like that, or someone starts talking to you when you're wearing them and listening to music. So the voice detect feature is there. Let me go ahead and play some music and see what they sound like. So I've got some YouTube playing here on YouTube, and the sound is really rich, really good sound on these. And I can just tap the side here to pause it and tap it again to start playing. That works great. It sounds really good on these earbuds. So I'm finding these Galaxy Buds Pro extremely comfortable. They fit in my ears really well. Now I happen to have the Galaxy Buds Live as well. I've had these for about 1.5 years, and these actually won't fit in my wife's ears, but I think these ones would. For comfort, for myself, the Buds Pro are more comfortable, and they've definitely got that kind of rubber tip that blocks a lot more noise. The noise canceling is significantly higher on the Galaxy Buds Pro. So what are my final initial thoughts on these Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro wireless earbuds? Well, first off, I really like the case. It's nice and small. It'll fit in your pocket very easily. Plus, you'll get up to 18 hours of battery life when you charge them in the case, which is awesome if you like to travel. Maybe you ride the bus for the day. You're always going to have battery life in your earbuds. Now, I find these earbuds extremely comfortable. They go in very easily, just like that. And they stay in my ears quite well. I could go exercise and they wouldn't fall out. And they should fit most people with the 3 different tip sizes that go on the ends, and they're really quite easy to change out. Now, my favorite feature about these earbuds is the intelligent active noise canceling. The noise canceling on these is awesome. I have these Galaxy Buds Live. They do have noise canceling, but they're far superior in these Galaxy Buds Pro. So if you're looking for noise canceling, I highly recommend these Galaxy Buds Pro. Plus they have the voice detection that you can turn on, so which is an awesome feature. If maybe you go to a coffee shop and you want to order, you can leave them in and it'll switch over to the ambient noise, so you can make your order and then switch over to the noise canceling after 10 seconds when you're done. So that's a great feature in these as well. So the other thing I want to mention is the IPX7 water resistant rating on these earbuds. If you like to exercise and you're sweating or it starts to rain, or even if you drop them in a puddle quickly, you should be good to go and your earbuds should be safe. And these earbuds also sound amazing with the AKG Sound in them. They are a premium high quality earbud that sound awesome. And again, these are the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro wireless Bluetooth earbuds. So I hope you enjoyed my initial thoughts and unboxing of these Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro wireless Bluetooth earbuds. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also remember to connect with me on social media and subscribe here on YouTube. I'd love to have you join the Northern Viking community. Thank you so much for watching today, and until next time, take care.